How to change your email address associated with Wetransfer. Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the way to change your email address associated with your Wetransfer. So in that case, you have to first of all make sure that your application is completely up to date, and then go ahead and log in into your Wetransfer account. When you're logged in, it's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. Now right on this page, click the profile icon from the top right hand side corner and then go to view account. When you press on view account, it's going to take you to the account info page where you'll be able to see your personal details and all that. So in order to make changes with your information, then right on this page you can go ahead and tap on the email address button, and as you do that, you'll be able to enter in the new email address that you wish to link with your Wetransfer account. So manually enter in that and then verify your email address by entering the PIN or an OTP that's going to be sent to an email, and you've successfully verified your email address. However, if you've used your Google account, then you'll not be able to change your email address, neither you'll be able to make changes with your first name, last name whatsoever. Now if you've manually entered your email address, only then you'll be able to make changes with your following information. So that's how you can change your email address associated with the Wetransfer. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.